Chapter 4, Describing Motion Around Us. Around us. In the earlier classes, we have learned about the motion. There are various types of motion is going on. First, a bird is flying on in the sky. Car is moving on the road. Train is also moving on the railway track. And plane is also moving in the sky. Our earth is also moving around the sun. It is also moving around its axis. Even our in an atoms of atomic particles are also moving at some speed. So to describe the motion, in the earlier classes we have taken these physical quantities: time, speed and distance. But in this class we will study about other quantities like average velocity, average acceleration, and displacement. Or displacement, distance. In these two quantities are different from each other. How these two are different from each other? Let us discuss about this. An object is at position A and it is moving to the position B. These two positions are 40 meters apart. So in time 5 seconds, objects move from A to B in 40 meters. So distance travel is 40 meters. Displacement, it is also 40 meters. But on reaching at point B, it starts moving back and again reaches at point A. That means object travels another 40 meters to move back to position A. So if it travel another 40 meters, the total distance travel is 40 plus 40, that is 80 meters. But what about the displacement? It starts from A, but it ends also from A. So there is no change in the position of an object. So in this case, displacement is 0. Now take another situation. A object is moving from point A to point B, which is 40 meters apart. From point B, it moves back and stops at 20 meters. So what is the distance traveled by them? Distance is 60 meters and displacement is from point A. A is our reference point. Point A, it is 20 meters.